si Papa Bear. And this is his partner. Si Mama Bear. And this is kawayan number 2. Hey, kawayan number 2, look at the cam. Hey, look at the cam. Oh my God, kawayan number 2. You're so kawayan talaga. Oh my God. Ito po si kawayan number 1. So, kawayan number 1, smile! Kawayan number 1. And ito si Anastasia. So, nagpapabay si Anastasia. Oh, kawayan naman ito. Napakit pa talaga si kawayan number 1. Diyos ko. Sino to? Stepmom! Our stepmom is crying because of our stepdad. Joke only, stepmom. Calm down. We love you all, stepmom. We love you all. Sino to?
Priscilla.
And then this is Priscilla. Oh my God! Oh my goodness! Stepmom! Another one!
Ako ba nila? Emma.
Emo. Oh my God.
Hey, babatukan niyo. Sige.
Oh, Anastasia. And so, tape model. And you, kawayan number 1 again. So, napakyut siya. Hindi bagay. Magtigil ka. Babalik ulit natin kay kawayan number 2. And they're so twins. Kawayan number 1, kawayan number 2. Bamboo twins. Hello. Next, emo po siya eh. And this is Papa Bear. Hi, Papa Bear! Wala kasi sila Loki babes. Oh my God. Yeah. And this is the wife of Papa Bear. Makikita mo na sa YouTube to, di ba? Yes. And then, the beautiful among them. It's me.
Wala ka. Corny na ba?
Yabang nyo. Corny. Magsalita ka ngayon. Sige. Hoy, talaga lang. Sige nga. Okay. Promise? O, yun, gawin nyo nga si Teacher Richard. Dali papadala natin sa kanya ko. Say something about him.
Mainggit ka.
Go. Again.
Hindi mo ba kami? Ulod ka.
Joke.
Si Melissa ba? Si Melissa.
Hey! Give a message for Teacher Richard. I'll send this on his Friendster. Go.
You? Get out.
Oh my God. Oh, Teacher Richard. She said, siya. Go! Say something to him!
Pabor na po kami kay teacher. Isa masaya na po kami. Kaya pwede. Huwag ka na mapaparamdam sa amin.
Say joke. Joke only. Yes, that's it! Ay, ako napapagod na ako. Sakit na ng pangak.